questioning. Restore to me again the joy of your salvation, and make me willing to obey you. Psalm chapter 51 verse 12. It is not unusual for persons in their early 20s to defect from their early teaching. The reasons are many. Perhaps their exposure to unbelief took better than their exposure to belief. This is often the case, for the Bible says, "The heart of man is deceitful above all things." The human heart is as prepared by sin to accept unbelief as faith. Some person they regard highly has undoubtedly influenced their thinking. And for the time being they look on their early training as bunk. As someone has said, a little learning may take a man away from God, but full understanding will bring him back. Some of the staunchest Christians I know are people who had periods in their life when they questioned the Bible, Christ, and God. But as they continued to examine the matter, there was overwhelming evidence that only the fool hath said in his heart, "There is no God." Prayer for the day. I pray for all the questioning people today, Lord, remembering times in my own life when unbelief reigned.